What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today I am doing my niece's hair. She goes back to school this Monday. So I have 3 nieces. She was the first person to get her hair done because her hair would take a little longer. And today we're doing passion twist. I decided to do the rubber band method because I thought that would be a little bit easier on me and it wouldn't take that long for me to do this method. So right now I'm parting them out as in triangles. I like that style. I think it's so super cute. I hate square styles unless they're a little bit smaller and they're like bricks. So keep on watching while I part out her hair. So right here I'm using jam in the yellow jar. I really like that stuff when I'm braiding or when I'm twisting hair, but I only put it on the roots where I tied the rubber band at, and you'll see what I put on the ends while I'm twisting the hair up in a minute. So right here, I am using the foam to twist her hair. I'm twisting one around the root where the rubber band is at so it won't show. I'll show you in a moment up close and personal how I loop them around, how I put the crochet needle through in a moment. But yeah, this is a super easy hairstyle. I really like this on my niece. Her mom loves it, my sister, my mom loves it, my other niece loves it. She actually wants her hair like this, but she's getting an absolute different style because this would not last in her hair. So yeah, and I love the foam. It's by B&B Tropical Roots and it works wonders. It has like a sticky substance to it, which really helps kind of not harden the hair, but it helps stick her hair to the extensions. So that really plays a big role into this whole look that I'm doing today. So right here is my youngest niece. She just wanted to be in the camera, and as you can see, my daughter all the way in that far left corner. Literally, I don't even know what she was doing actually. Now that I'm rewatching, I don't know what she was doing in that corner. But she's getting her hair completely different. It's gonna be super cute. She's gonna have like some little beads on it, something that's gonna look right on her and last on her hair because she's very rough when it comes to her hair. Side note, this look probably took about 3 hours without any stops. So we did stop. So it took 5 hours because, yo, my feet be hurting and I don't got time. I'm not standing on a mat like I would if I was at a salon. I'm standing on carpet, and under that carpet is concrete. So we had to stop a few times because I wanted to eat my little sensational salad from Zaxby's because that salad is the bomb. So yeah, it probably took me about 3 hours without stopping. 2 hours because I did stop and take breaks. I wanted to make sure my niece was straight because when she be moving or when anybody is moving in my chair, I'm gonna have an issue with you. Okay, I don't like that. Don't move while I'm doing your hair. So yeah, we took like 2 or 3 breaks, and those 2 or 3 breaks was about 2 hours long altogether. So look at that. Them parts are absolutely gorgeous. She absolutely loved her hair. I don't know why I'm getting into how she loved it because we're not even finished yet. But yeah, she loved her hair after this. Okay, so let's get a close-up. I bring the crochet needle underneath so that the hair can hide that rubber band. After that, I pull it through. I pull 2 of those sides through, right? Ashley, fix the camera, Ash. Okay, thank you. So now we've put our foam on top, and now I'm twisting it around to make sure that rubber band does not show once again, because who wants to see rubber bands? And I twist, 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 twist. Okay, all the way down to the bottom. And look at that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, it's my daughter's case. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah. So now we're on to the last 2. Bring it in from the bottom. Unravel the hair, by the way. And put it on that hook. Pull it through. Put some foam on it and twist that thing up. Period. Yes, super cute.
Geniuses are born or made. Geniuses are born or made.
Now, after about 3 hours, we're on our last one, and get into it. Stop, knees. Look at her. Yes. So we doing slow-mo. Yeah. So look at this. Look at this. Look at that. She said what was said. What was said. Look at my hair. I am ready for school on Monday. Period, poo. Oh my gosh. And then we're going to do a little turnaround. Turn around for me. Okay, the back is cute. Thank you for watching.